show you what Purple Blaster can do. And we've always said it's a multi-purpose product. So what we've got here is a filter of a jacuzzi, spa, or a pool, whichever you want to use. And we're just going to simply squirt the Purple Blaster right onto the filter. And then afterwards, we're just going to simply close it off. Do a straight line up and down so we can see where it's getting clean and dirty. Okay, stop so we can see one side and the other. So the left side is clean with the degreaser, the Purple Blaster, and the right side, as you can see, is still dirty. Go ahead and rinse it with water. And there you have it, totally clean filter, all done with simply the Purple Blaster and water.